In this activity, you will have two slides. The first slide is a list of words for you to work with on the second slide. All of these words on the first slide have a vowel-vowel pattern. On the next slide, you will be sorting these words into their correct category based on the first of the two vowel sounds you hear in each word. You will also be dividing each word into syllables using slash marks. Let's look at one that I've already done for you. I chose to put the word science on the table for you. In the word science, I have two vowels, I, E. The first vowel that I hear in science is the long I, so I put it in the long I category. I also know that science has two syllables, so I divided science with a slash mark to show those two syllables. You need to go back to the first slide and choose another word and go back to the second to put it in the correct category. You should be putting every word into a category.